Well, hello there, YouTube friends. I'm back again. Going to show you how to make best sandwich spread ever. Ate it growing up. My dad used to make this quite regularly. Pot of meat, mayonnaise, pickles, egg whites. I don't have the same recipe he had. His tasted pretty good, but what I've got is pot of meat, mayonnaise, already stirred up, Duke's mayonnaise, 2 cans of potted meat, mayonnaise, breadcrumbs, 1 slice of bread stirred up. We're going to add relish, and we're going to add some egg white. So we'll go ahead and put the egg white in there. This was good growing up. My father used to make it. It's pretty darn good. That's the chopped up egg whites. I had to dip into my savings to get the egg whites, the eggs. To go buy the eggs, I had to get into my savings account and get the money to buy these eggs. So I bought them. So we got them. There's the egg white. Pot of meat, mayonnaise, egg white so far. Breadcrumbs. Best sandwich spread you'll ever have. And I see right now I've got enough to make 5 or 6 sandwiches. So I'm stirring it up. Pot of meat, mayonnaise, breadcrumbs, egg whites so far. Pot of meat, mayonnaise, egg whites. And breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs absorbs the moisture so it doesn't run off your bread. So we're going to add some relish. Not a whole lot. It's got some juice in it. It's going to make it runny. Relish is pretty strong. We're going to go light on the relish. Stir it up. So what we have here is pot of meat, mayonnaise, crumbled up bread, relish, egg whites. Boil the eggs. Use the yellow for something else. Cut it in half. Cut a boiled egg in half and use the yellow for some other recipe. So we've got potted meat, mayonnaise, breadcrumbs, relish, egg whites. Add some black pepper. Again, don't want to make a long boring video. Pot of meat, mayonnaise stirred up with breadcrumbs. Added relish, egg whites, and black pepper. Best sandwich spread for a sandwich you'll ever have. Add some more black pepper. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. You see my cast iron pots. I'll be back doing some cast iron cooking, frying cabbage. I'll be doing something. Got my light bread up here. Going to make me a sandwich out of this best sandwich spread ever. Pot of meat, mayonnaise, breadcrumbs, relish, black pepper, egg whites. Egg whites only. Thank y'all for watching. I'll be back.